Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, and I am back with my friend the seamstress, Marilena. She blows me out of the water when it comes to sewing and stuff, and I'm really excited because I want to share with you some things we're going to talk about today. The primary thing that I wanted to talk to you about today is the castor oil packs that she has made, and we're gonna introduce all of these, and she's going to give you all the details of how to use a castor oil pack. And I want to let you know too, I am planning to do a video on the benefits of castor oil packs and how you can use them in the future. I've done most of my research. I've got, my keynote pulled together, but I just haven't had time to do it yet. So, okay, as Marilena and I were getting started with the video, her other half came in, so I want to introduce your husband to us.
This is my husband Fortunato. The first video we did, he was not here, he was busy. And he's a handyman. And we get together and do this ministry for the work, and then he can explain more what he does.
You're building light boxes, aren't you? Don't be bashful. Yeah. These are two of the most gifted people that I know. I mean, these people are very industrious, and they just get it done. I mean, if they find a need, they get it done. They're very skilled and gifted. So Fortunato, what do you do? I know that you help her with all the technical aspects of her business, but
I wanted to thank you, Sister Dan, for this opportunity, because not a lot of people it's willing to help people that wants to start from the beginning. And you've been such a helpful person, helping my wife and directing us on what we can do. So yes, I'm glad God gave me what He gave to me, because He gave me a gift to do many things. I do electrical work, that's my trade, and then also I do plumbing, a little bit construction. And then also God allowed me to learn a lot about agriculture, farming, and I've been learning a lot of things. And I believe there's still a lot in store for me to learn. Mm-hmm. Also, on the natural side, I came to understand a little bit also about natural treatment, fermentation system, how it works, and then how good it is. And also, I understood that I can do a therapy box with the light on for treatment, for hydrotherapy treatment, and then also I do lamps. That is crafted way to do, like from wood that I put pieces together. I did a couple. I have one right there that I did. I have some at the industrial builder that I did. Yeah, I thank God for all the skills and gift He gave to me and Amen. To my wife. So she's been developing all this stuff. Sometimes I come home and I see things that I didn't saw before. So we thank God for this opportunity that Amen. You've given us to present and everything.
Praise the Lord. I appreciate it when I hear a very skilled individual say, I have a lot to learn, because I believe that is evidence that God is working in our heart to realize we are mortal, and we need God's help. So at any rate, I am going to let Marilena demonstrate these castor oil packs and what each one is used for. Now, she has a lot of different sizes, and some of them are for children, some of them are for little ladies like me, some of them are for different parts of the body. So what is this one for?
This one here you can use for your thyroid, you can use for your eye, for eye pain, and it's good because especially a lot of people have sore throat, thyroid. You can put in your eyes when you go sleep, because some people don't like light, they like dark, and it works very good.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you use this a long time? I mean, like when the castor oil is on here, you can reuse it many times, and I'll cover that in my video. But how do you clean these?
Okay, when you use this 3 or 4 times, for example, this one here, when you put 1 tablespoon of the oil, you just wrap them together, then you put it in your throat. When you use 2 or 3 times, wash this. Just put a little bit dish soap, the Bounty, whatever soap that you use. Let it soak for a few minutes, then all the grease come out.
Okay. Now what's this one for? It's kind of little.
This one's for the babies. Same thing, you can put 1 tablespoon of the castor oil, put in there. You can put the top of your baby the liver, okay, or the kidney. But when you're going to do treatment, but the baby is so small, you're going to use once, okay?
Okay.
This one is for the children, to clean the liver also. You can put 2 tablespoons of castor oil, then you wrap them together, then you put the top of the liver. But if you're gonna do the liver, you're gonna do the kidney the same time, because you want to do fully clean.
So you would have 2 this size?
So if depend how big is the baby, you know.
Okay.
But if
You
your
could wrap
baby,
it.
you can wrap. But if it's a little bit, you know, big, you have to use 2 of them.
And you see you have to tie these around?
It's elastic.
Yeah, but see, everybody needs to learn how to tie knots. So, I love knot tying. Okay, we've talked about those. Now, this is for like a little lady like me, right?
This can be for lady like her or like me. This can be for the youth. Okay, that's for the youth, to clean the liver and kidney. They all come with the elastic, very comfortable to. You can use that overnight. My sister's gonna talk about that, how to use this. But you have to use, always when you do treatment, you have to use both.
Okay.
For the liver and for the kidney.
Okay.
This is for adults. It can be for men and women. And also, I think I have the big size too, because, you know, we're not all the same. You're gonna put 2 tablespoons of castor oil in there. Then you wrap, then you put on top of your kidney. Then you're gonna have 1 more on the top of your liver. So when you're gonna do clean up, you're gonna do both them to clean the same size.
Yeah, and you're offering these individually and as a kit.
As a
people want
kit.
that. Okay.
Also, this is waterproof and oil proof. Anything you put there, it don't come through, because it has the waterproof inside.
So
it's
you don't
water-
have to put like the plastic.
You
on
don't
top
have
of
to
it.
put the plastic. You don't have to put anything. This is 100% waterproof or oil
Good,
proof.
perfect. And you can put like a heating pad or something.
You
over
can
it
put
if you
heat.
need to.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, while we're on this topic, Nato, could you please hand me those things over there? Do you have them?
Yes.
Okay, this is something else that Marilena is working on, and I'll let her tell you. They're not done yet.
Okay. This is baby bib. Okay. I know somebody called me yesterday. They tell me if I can make with the waterproof. This one here, you can fit the baby on that, and the baby don't get wet, don't get dirty, because it has the waterproof inside. And this one here,
It's a burp cloth.
baby birth cloth. It is waterproof also. If your baby is paid or anything, it don't get dirty your clothes. Okay.
Perfect. Now
And-
those will be ready, and you'll have those on your website.
I'm gonna
later.
have for adult too, for elderly.
Okay, perfect.
And because I know a lot of elderly, sometimes when they eat, they get dirty.
yeah.
And I have them for elderly also. And the diaper is going to be next.
Okay,
Okay.
perfect. All right. So what I'd like to do now, you saw on the picture that I shared already, some of the products that she makes, that Marilena makes. And so I want to just take a minute and go over all of them. And some of them are sewing projects. So since we were just talking about sewing projects, let's talk about those first. So let me just grab one each of these, and then I'm going to have you tell us about these. Okay, these we've actually done a video on, and I'm going to steal your thunder just a minute. So we did a video on homemade sanitary pads for women.
Yes.
And I had several ladies contact me and ask for a bigger one, so Marilena made you a bigger one. So
Now I have big one. Okay. I have a different colors. Some people be asking for black, because some people don't like to see stain.
yeah,
But if you have any stain, you can use everything I use is natural. I'm sorry. I use Borax,
for that.
Ox Clean, plant-based soap. You soak them, all the grease come out. If you want, all the stain could come out.
Blood come out.
Because when we work at Life Center, we have a charcoal, we have turmeric, we have a castor oil. You know, the gas sometimes they get messy. We don't use not bleach. While I was working there, right now I'm working home, do this. I don't use bleach. I use all those things.
Okay.
It's easy to come out.
So this goes around your underwear.
This go around
Okay.
your underwear. This is for inside.
Around the crotch part.
Yes, and this for outside.
Okay.
It go like this.
Okay.
And this can be for heavy, because a lot of people is being asked because it's very, some people is heavy.
Yeah.
This one, elderly people can use also. I have one elderly person over here. She came to buy, but when she started using it, yesterday she was telling me it's so comfortable.
Okay.
She said you can't even tell that you have pads on.
So like for urinary incontinence,
Yes.
elderly people.
For elderly people can use this, because a lot of people is being asked for that. And this one is for the lights. You know, when the ends, you use this.
I'll put a link to the video
Okay.
that we've already done.
Yes, we did before.
Yeah.
This
And
one
what are
here
these things?
is for the hairband.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool
And
enough.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Like this.
That's a little girly for me. I just use my sunglasses.
And I have this kind here. They're all 100% cotton. Very comfortable.
They're pretty.
Okay. And different style.
Okay, she's got a lot of different
And
ones here.
I'm still working to make different ones. You know,
You make them for babies too?
I
see a
make
lot
for
of these,
babies,
yeah.
for adults, and they're the same thing, just different kind of fabric and different colors.
Okay, so they're basically
they're
the same
based the same
design.
thing.
Okay,
design.
good, good. All right, let's set those aside. Now I'm just going to start from this side, and we'll. I showed you a close-up of these earlier, but you can. These are Marilena's lotions, and they have very pure ingredients in there, all organic.
All
right?
organic, yes.
Okay, you want to tell us about those two?
Okay, this one here, I did use on my face. All the skin is not the same, but
Okay, let's see. That's the baby one.
this
So
is baby
the-
one. Okay,
Yeah.
sorry. This one has a coconut oil, mango butter, shea butter, and the lavender oil and castor oil and vitamin E. It's very, very good. I can open, right? And you can see inside.
Oh, it smells yummy.
And the smell, so when you open, you can
Yeah.
smell it.
Yeah.
Okay, it's very, very smooth.
Now I used to, years ago, I made lotion for different people, and I was shipping them everywhere. I just couldn't keep up. I had so many people wanting me to make lotion for them, and I had to quit. I couldn't keep up.
Yes.
With this.
A lot of people, largest lotion that you buy in the store right now, it has all water, and the water comes the time it make your lotion mold. So
Yes.
this one don't have no water.
Yes.
Okay, anything that has all water, alcohol, stay away from, because it's not good for our skin. It dry our skin.
Yeah, and another thing, I have a video called Making Salves and Tinctures or something like that, salves, tinctures, and extracts, and I cover that any product that you make that has water in it, or even aloe vera gel or juice, is going to be prone to mold, and so
Yes.
you will have to use some type of preservative in it. So with this, she doesn't have that in there, so she
No.
doesn't need any preservative in it.
No, this is everything natural. And this one is a baby lotion. Baby lotion, you have coconut oil, mango butter, shea butter, castor oil, and rose hips oil.
Okay.
No water, no alcohol, nothing there. It's everything organic. It's very good for the babies. Because people's been
think I'm
asking
gonna
me
get
for
one.
the people's been asking me for the baby lotions.
Okay.
They've been asking me, please make the baby lotion.
You know,
So-
and that you could really, because sometimes babies get a little rashy, you know.
yes, that's
you could
going to
put-
be my next step to do
Yeah, I
different
was going to
products.
say you could
Yes.
put some type of antifungal herb in there or something to help with
baby lotion.
yeast or
Baby
something
yeast,
like that?
yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm kind of excited about this one. Marilyn is making glycerin extracts for baking, for cooking.
Yes.
So she has, that's apple, and she has this is vanilla, and this is lemon rind. This is all organic, and she makes it
Yes.
right here herself. So okay, so for baking, how much are these? Do you remember? I think these are like $7.
$7.
Okay, I'm going to put the prices for all this stuff in the video description, but I'm also going to give you a link to her website. Okay, I am not selling these. These belong to Marilena. Okay, now we've got all kinds of different soaps, and we have underarm deodorant. That's an interesting one to me. This one smells fantastic. It's lemon.
It has a lemon. This one here, I have shea butter, coconut oil, lemon oil, and essential oil and beeswax. No water. And it smells very good.
Yes, it does.
The reason I put lemon there so the stain
Don't stain your
your clothes and yourself also.
Okay.
Yes.
Perfect. All right.
The soap I have turmeric, moringa. Moringa is for my plant, from my garden.
She grows it. And the rosemary
And
she
rose.
got from my mom. So.
Yes. For this is turmeric also, 100%
Okay.
organic. And this is
Rosemary.
rosemary I got for her lovely mother. It's fresh. Okay,
Yep.
I have
I
a
cut
powder and I have an oil too, so you can smell it when you
Yeah.
use. I have a
Very
lemongrass, I have eucalyptus and
Okay.
charcoals, clear, and name it.
Okay.
You know.
And your soaps are
$5 each.
$5. Okay.
I'm not gonna get like stores and this.
Right. Okay.
We're gonna make easy for each other.
So that's all the new stuff that Marilena's been up to, and okay, we missed the kit. All right, so all of these and some castor oil she's offering together as a kit. And again, I'm not going to go through all the prices here, so somebody's going to have to go back through the video and find them. I'm going to put them in the video description beneath this video, along with a link to your website.
Yes.
Okay.
This here is also good for stress, for anxiety, for anything that you have. You use this. When anybody buy cake or buy, I'm gonna send paper explain what is good for it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. It's for the ladies' pelvic area. Castor oil pack is one of the best remedies for
Yes.
fibroids. Like if they have
Yes.
fibroids, uterine cramps and stuff like
Yes.
that, it's an excellent remedy.
Yes.
Okay, I guess that's it.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll see you
Yes.
guys next time.
Okay. Thank you.